part three, question three, is more information about them and their business. So this is where you're qualifying the customer, trying to understand them better. What's your job title? How you work at your company? What do you do? What's your company website? What model best describes your business? Like any qualifying questions to understand the person or their business. It's question three. Question four is finding out about what other tools they use and or how they're currently solving the problem. Okay, so you should have already done some customer interviews and exploration here before you use an early access survey, just like before you do a landing page. You should have already talked to a bunch of people. So you already have a good idea of what tools and what ways people are currently solving the problem, if the problem even exists. And then you're giving them like check boxes to fill out which ones they use and what they're using it for, right? How do you do blank now? What blank do you use? Which of these tools are you currently using to blank? Okay, which tools have you used or are using to blank? Question five, discover what's most challenging them. What's the most challenging part of ... What's the single most critical thing you are hoping that ... can do for you? What's your biggest problem when you ... Okay, these are all alternative ways to ask the same question. Okay, these are not all steps in question five. All of these are different ways to ask the same question for each one of these questions. This is the fifth question. Okay. Question six, are they willing to talk to you? Okay. How can you participate in helping us launch the best possible new product? Interviewed by phone or Skype, interviewed by IM chat, feedback on screenshots or demo previews, participating in online surveys or user testing, meeting in person. Okay. Give them different options that they can select how they're willing to chat with you. Are you willing to talk with us via phone, Google Hangouts, etc.? Yes or no? So that's it. 6 simple questions for an early access survey. The welcome message, contact information, more information about their business and role, multi-choice, what tools they use today, multi-choice, actually, checkbox here, checkboxes. Biggest challenge today, open text box, paragraph text box. Number 6, how they would like to be contacted. Okay, so you can put this either as a survey directly on Twitter and send to people. You can also put it as the next step in a landing page test. Okay. Let me give you an example. We'll take any questions on this. Is from pitch.com when they first launched. They had this before pitch.com launched. Apply for priority access. Using Typeform, cool little graphic up here. Where should we send your invite? Oh, and you guys should use Block Survey for this. Block Survey is a dope tool. And also much cheaper than Typeform and gives you all the same features. And it's decentralized. And it's in my portfolio if you couldn't tell. So where should you send your invite? Email, basically, right? Like, where should we send your invite? Give us your email. What is your role? Multi-choice. Let them select. I guess here they only select one, right? Which tools have you used recently to create a presentation? Pitch.com is an online presentation tool, right? So what tools are you using today? Select as many as you like. Google Slides, Canva, et cetera, et cetera. Which of these other tools do you and your team use? So these are not presentation tools, but these are other productivity tools. My favorite tools to use today. What are your biggest frustrations? Choose as many as you like. Sharing presentations with others. Hard to tell which presentation contain waste info. Keeping slides consistent. They have a long list of problems that they've already discovered